In today's episode, we will be making balsamic vinegar and red onion potatoes. Let's get started. Place 1 pound of washed potatoes in water on the stove and add some salt. Turn the burner on high. When the water begins to boil, reduce the heat to just above medium. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Next, cut up 1/2 of a red onion. Red onions provide a strong flavor profile. Cut up 2 large garlic cloves. Place a skillet on the stove and set the temperature to medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of butter. Add in the garlic and brown. Add in 1/2 red onion and stir until caramelized. Add in the potatoes. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. Add in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and stir. And there you have it, balsamic vinegar and red onion potatoes. See you next time.